Hello and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is November 6th, 2025. In the description box of the video is information on how to book a personal reading with me. There's also information on the other social media platforms where you can find me and follow me there as well. We have King of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Two of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the Fool. Right now, you're in this position of where you get to choose. You get to choose. You're being presented several offers here. Several offers, several options. And you get to choose. You get to choose because it's your right. Okay? You put forth the best intentions. You put down a lot of seeds to plant. And now there's this harvest. There's this harvest. And so you get to pick and choose what's going to be on your plate, basically. What do you want? What works for you? You get to dictate how many hours. You get to dictate what where you're going to live. You get to dictate what extracurricular activities you're going to do. You get to pick and choose here. Who you spend your time with. And very important to recognize that having the say, right? Having the options and to say yes or no, but especially no to certain things doesn't mean that you are selfish, right? It means that you are looking to make your life the quality of life that you want. With the things that you do want, the things that bring you joy, the things that bring you passion. With the people that bring you joy and bring you passion. That's not being selfish at all. When you say no to things, that's not being selfish. When you get to say, my energy is going to be spent here or there or with these people, that's not being selfish. That is you doing a really loving form of self-care where you get to put boundaries. This looks really good. This looks really good. For some people, it can be a little bit overwhelming, right? But please trust and know that whatever option you choose will be the correct one. It will be the correct one. Because whatever option you do choose, in whatever journey it takes you, whichever path, you're going to learn something. You will always be learning something. So wherever you go, whatever you choose, you will grow and evolve in that direction. Do not stress about the options. Do not stress about which one's the right one. You know in your heart of hearts, your intuition tells you which one is the one that's right for you in this time, in this moment. And you don't really need to consult with other people to see what they think. Which one they think is best for you. Because this whole time that you have been working on creating these options for you, you know, long term, down the road type of deal. You did that really, realistically by yourself. You can certainly, you know, get opinions, right? But there's no need to really think it over too much. You're more than ready. You've been manifesting this for a minute now. You've been telling the universe, I need to get this done. Tell me, show me, help me to get this done. And so off you go. Off you go. You get to go and explore. You get to go and do things that bring you joy. And you are being supported, guided by the universe. The strength, the comfort, the wisdom of the universe. Remember, you're the one carrying this. Not what anybody else thinks, if they're going to think you a fool, a literal fool. Please don't. Nobody knows what you went through, what you're going through, or what you're going to go through. Only you know that. Only you know that. And you don't owe anybody an explanation. You don't. I am rooting for you. Be your best cheerleader. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.